Okay, all of the sheetrock is done. Done. So that's all done. Now I gotta put all the metal corner on here, and I'm gonna cut out all these lights so I don't, when I mud it, I don't mess myself up and lose them. So I'll do the metal corner. Got the heat, the new heat in, which is way prettier than the stuff I had here before, and it's way smaller. Before, the heat came through this wall, ran all the way around, went through here, and then down into the basement. But now, this is high output heat, so it's a little bit bigger. It'll give me more output. Makes sense. Put it right under the windows because that'll be the spot with the most heat loss, even though they're new windows and they're insulated and everything. But that's way better than before. So, coming along. Pretty excited to get this done. Looking good though. Still got to fill in my floor. I'll refinish the floor last, so I don't mess it up when I'm painting and everything. I'm mudding, but coming along.